Good day once again. My name is Eric Ejiri Ata, and I'll be taking you through the topics in the core mathematics. The last time we met, we tackled questions on circuit theory, and I said for you to be able to solve questions on the circuit theory, you always have to check a chord. When you identify the chord, you check a chord that goes to the circumference and the center. You should know that the angle at the circumference, when multiplied by 2, will give you the angle at the center. Then you have to check if there is also a chord that follows the same direction. When they all go to the same direction in the circle, we said those angles at the circumference are equal. And when they go to opposite directions, they sum up to 180. Then we said we can check if there is a diameter. So anytime we see diameter, the angle it makes at the circumference is 90. So we are going to tackle the last aspect of it. That is the tangent. So what is a tangent? If I have a circle, any line that comes and touches the circumference is what we call a tangent. Now, I have A, B, C. Which of this line meets the tangent and forms an angle? You agree it is BC, which meets the tangent here to form an angle. Now, this chord has divided the circle into two parts, where I have shaded and the unshaded part. So the chord is BC. I want to move from B to C, but I don't want to use this short route. Where can I go? I can come here. From B, I will come to A, then go to C. Meaning the angle at A is the same as the angle the tangent and the chord makes. So for you to be able to identify the relationship between them, the first thing you are supposed to do, you are supposed to identify the chord that meets the tangent to form the angle. Then you start at one of the letter, but don't go straight to the other letter. Change the direction. That angle is equal to that angle. So let's use the same ideology here. I can see that YQ is the chord which is meeting this tangent, and it is making an angle of 54. So from here, I can say that this chord has divided into two. Those who are here and those are the shaded portion. Now, the chord is from Y straight out to Q. But I cannot use this route. Which other route can I use? You see, I've gone that way to the unshaded part. So I can easily say this angle is also 54. So let's come to the question. Find the size X, Q, Y. X, Q, Y. We are talking of this side. Per this shape, I see it's a triangle. So the 54 plus the 41 plus the angle XQY should give me 180 degrees. So when I add, I get 95 plus angle XQY is equal to 180. So angle XQY is equal to 180 minus 95. So angle XQY is 5, giving us 85 degrees. So your duty is to be able to identify the chord meeting the tangent. So So I can say, you see that this is the angle between the tangent and the chord. So everybody here is out unless it forms an angle at the unshaded part. So this angle is the same as the angle here. So always you check your tangent, then the chord that meets that tangent. You see, this is the chord that meets this tangent. So the whole of this side is out. So the angle, so you see that the chord is A to B. Now I want to move from A to B. I can go this way. So this angle and that angle are the same. Now, let's look at this question. So, they said you should find UXY. UXY. So, I'm talking of this angle. But I hope you see this shape as a triangle. So, this is a triangle question. So, look at the shape. I'm sure you can see it's a triangle. You should understand these lines here. Then you should be able to identify the chord that is making an angle with your tangent. This is that chord. Then you know that the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. And angles of the straight line also add up to 180. You should understand these lines. You should be able to identify the chord that makes an angle. So the whole of this side is out. You should know where it is 50 inside. So when we meet, we shall see the solution. Thank you.